2020 Cadillac XT5 with less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.